Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Veldog, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality food or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, today we're going to make the ultimate shrimp scampi. Here's my shrimp. I have some butter. I got the Parmesan cheese. We have the lemon pepper. We got the kosher salt. We got cayenne pepper. We got some Old Bay seasoning. We have some cherry tomatoes. We have some garlic already chopped up. Got some spinach already chopped up. And we got some smoked sausage. And we also have some white wine, Chardonnay. And I have some extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to be having the garlic bread on the side. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and get started with this shrimp. We're going to take us some lemon pepper. I'm going to sprinkle some of that in there. So keep in mind, this is my first time making this. Okay. I ain't going to put too much in there because I have lemons that I want to put in there that I forgot to tell you guys about. So I'm going to put some lemon juice and some lemon zest in that. Alright, we're going to take us some kosher salt. Put some in my hand. I don't want too much kosher salt. I got some cayenne pepper. I'm going to sprinkle some of that in there. Okay, we got some Old Bay seasoning. We're going to sprinkle some of that in there. Okay, we got some olive oil we're going to put in there. Okay, got my gloves on. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this and mix it up. Okay, go ahead and get started on my skillet. Go ahead and warm that up. Put it on medium-low. Then I'm going to put some olive oil in it and throw my garlic in it with it. Then I'll start placing these in there. So I'll see you over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm going ahead and take some of this olive oil and put some of that in there. You want to put this in there because you're going to put butter in and you don't want to burn. 2 tablespoons. We're going to take our garlic. Put our garlic in there. So we're going to turn this back down since we don't want that garlic to burn. Start placing our shrimps in there. Go ahead and flip some of these. Put a little oil in it so our noodles won't stick. I'm going to put some more butter in there so Remember, we're gonna make a sauce out of this. So it's about 4 tablespoons. We're gonna go ahead and put our wine in there. It's about 1.5 cups. Take us some lemon juice. Squeeze us some lemon juice in there. Take us some lemon zest. Linguine pasta. Like I told you, I break mine in half. That's what you do. I break mine in half. Give it a twist. Put our sausage in there, get those working. We're going to go ahead and start putting our cheese in there. Don't put a lot in there yet. Yeah, Parmesan cheese. So we do that and then start thickening up. So put a little bit more Parmesan cheese in there. You don't want it too thick. You gotta remember that you gotta soak up. Put some of these noodles in there. And I'm gonna put my spinach in it. Turn, fold it in there. When that spinach just start breaking down, then you want to take it out. I want to put some more noodles in there. That should be good. Should be it. Got the other half a lemon. Squeeze that bad boy on there. Now I should have zested first. So you want to zest that. So remember, always zest and then squeeze. I didn't do that this time. Do not scrape down to the white part. The white part is nasty. It's really bitter. So here I'm going to add these sausage to the mix, to the party, as they say. I'm going to go ahead and plate this up and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm done with this dish. This is the ultimate shrimp scampi from Veldog's Kitchen. So if you guys like what you see, please comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Veldog signing out. Let's get cooking.